Hiring the wrong agency can quietly drain your budget. Hiring the right one can scale your business while you stay focused on operations. Here is the blueprint for Nigerian SMBs. First, ignore flashy promises. If an agency talks only about followers, reach, or going viral, be careful. Attention without revenue is expensive noise. Second, ask for metrics that matter. Leads generated, cost per acquisition, conversion rates, repeat purchases, and return on ad spend. Third, test their understanding of Nigeria. Do they understand local buying behavior, payment friction, mobile-first audiences, and regional differences? If not, the strategy will suffer. Fourth, demand clear reporting. You should know what was spent, what happened, and what improved every month. Fifth, start with a pilot project before a long contract. Small tests reveal more truth than polished sales calls. For introverted founders, this approach works well. You do not need endless meetings or hype. You need systems, evidence, and steady execution. The real growth secret is simple. Do not hire the loudest agency. Hire the one that can prove results, explain numbers clearly, and scale what already works.